Welcome everyone to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you are already a member, thank you so much for your support so far. Today, I will be making a fruit salad theme. Tropical temptation, exotic fruit salad. Description: indulge in the flavors of the tropics with our exotic fruit salad recipe. This vibrant and refreshing mix of pineapple, banana, cucumber, pear, and mango is infused with a yogurt juice and topped with coconut flakes and fresh groundnut. It is perfect for summer gatherings or a quick escape to paradise. Ingredients: cucumber, pawpaw, pineapple, banana, avocado, pear, coconut, groundnut, yogurt/liquid milk. Procedure: wash and cut the cucumber, pawpaw, pineapple, banana, and avocado pear. Keep them separate. Wash, cut, or shred the coconut and also set aside separately. Get some plates, deep plates or takeaways, and dish the fruits accordingly, each plate having all the fruits in use. Let the shredded coconut be on the top. You can put in the fridge first to get cold before adding the groundnut and yogurt. Or you can go ahead and add the groundnut and splash the yogurt to the ones you will be eating immediately and serve. The remaining ones you can put in the fridge and take the next day/days. Health benefits of fruit salad. Fruit salad is a dish that is made with a variety of fruits. It contains nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Example: pineapple contains vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Fiber. Example: banana, cucumber, which can help with weight management and blood sugar regulation. Antioxidants. Example: pawpaw, pears, etc., which can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions like cancer and diabetes. Coconuts contain lauric acid, a natural antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial agent. This makes them a strong ally in keeping your immune system healthy and resilient. General health benefits of fruit salad include: weight loss. Fruit salads can help you feel full and maintain a healthy weight. Immune system. Fruits like oranges, kiwis, and strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which can help support a healthy immune system. Heart health. Fruits like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries contain nutrients that can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Digestion. Fruits can help ease digestion. Skin and hair. Fruits can promote healthy skin and hair. Regularly eating fruits can help reduce the risk of developing heart disease, cancer, inflammation, and diabetes. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section the fruits you prefer to have in your fruit salad and why. Please, always remember to like and drop a comment. Also subscribe to stay updated to my next videos. Bye, and stay blessed.